Insanely innovative gadgets that will change your life in 2020. 1. Stop giving your rupee to electric companies. Heat your home for pennies. Winter is right around the corner and that means bills. But what if I told you there was a way to heat your home without the pricey bills? Introducing Zen Heater, the sleek space heater. Zen Heater is equipped with the latest technology. It has an adjustable thermostat, auto shut-off feature, digital temperature display, and it's cool to the touch. It also has no wire, it plugs right into the wall, allowing for optimal airflow. Be sure to have your heater this winter to avoid those crazy heating bills and stay warm and cozy in your home or office. Stay warm while saving money. 2. Fix basically anything with this small tool. This next gadget is the perfect addition to your toolkit. If you think something is beyond repair, think again, because Bond, a cool new pen-sized device, quickly and easily fixes broken items. Use it to fix those eyeglasses you accidentally sat on and snapped in half, leaky pipes, dishware like cracked plates and mugs, and so much more. Just apply the unique liquid formula to the damaged area, shine the special UV light on it for 4 seconds, and you've fixed it. And you've just saved yourself the money you would have spent on a replacement. If you're the type of person who likes to fix things instead of buying a new one, you have to have Bondic. Stop throwing away perfectly good items. 3. Finally get your dog to stop barking. What if I told you that there is a gadget that will get your dog to stop barking and it is 100% safe for dogs and humans? Yes, it will stop your dog's crazy barking fits when someone rings the doorbell. And it's not an uncomfortable muzzle. The Barks Buddy will change your life by calming and quieting your dog. This sleek device uses ultrasonic sounds only heard by dogs and an LED light to stop your dog when they are in the middle of any unwanted behavior. Simply point the pocket-sized device at your dog, press the button, and your dog will give you their undivided attention. If your furry friend needs more training, or if you or your child fears dogs and want extra protection, you must try this new device. 4. Never lose anything on your computer again. These days, people keep so much information on their computers that when they crash, it's almost as if their house burnt down. They lose everything. But what's most frustrating about this situation is that it's so easily avoidable with Infinity Cloud. Infinity Cloud is a backup device that saves your files. It's so easy to use. You just plug it into your computer, press start, and your files are saved. In just a few minutes you can prevent a disaster. Back up your computer. 5. This invention is replacing traditional chargers. Tired of having wire chargers and bulky charging pads cluttering your desk, nightstand, or counter? Well, the Envishi charger declutters your space by creating secret charging stations on any surface. The Envishi charger uses the same technology found in Tesla vehicles to create true wireless charging. You simply place the Envishi charger under any surface you wish to become a charger, and voila, your desk or nightstand is a charger without the annoying cords or pads. 6. Genius air conditioner, twice the power and half the cost. We all know that incredible feeling when you walk into an air-conditioned room on a hot day. Unfortunately, air conditioning comes at a steep price. People pay crazy amounts to run those big bulky machines until now. The Zencooler is a powerful new invention that is changing the lives of millions of Americans. It is a small, lightweight, portable and easy to use air conditioner. All you do is fill the tank with cold water, turn it on, and instantly feel a breeze. No more loud annoying noises and no more huge electric bills. Cool down and save money with Zencooler. 7. Phones can be replaced, photos can't be. Did you know that 1 in 3 smartphone users will lose all their photos from water damage? Even more people will lose their photos if their phone is stolen, lost, or breaks. We hope this does not happen to us, but according to statistics, it probably will at some point. This is why it is in your best interest to back up your precious photos and videos. The PhotoStick Mobile is the easiest and safest way to back up your phone's photos, and it's super easy to use. You just download the app. Plug the thumb-sized device into your phone where you would normally put your charger, hit the Backup Now button, and voila, your memories are safe. Back up your phone's photos in one click. 8. Easily speak 40 plus languages. Have you ever visited a foreign country for business or pleasure? Whether you're using local transportation, searching for a restaurant, or visiting a museum abroad, the ability to engage and communicate with others in their own language is a huge advantage. Luckily, two famous Japanese inventors took language translation to the next level and created an instant translator called MUAM Instant Translator. This gadget can easily translate real-time speech into over 40 languages using only a few finger taps. Language barriers are now a thing of the past. The MUAM Instant Translator is easy to use, lightweight, and also makes a neat gift. 9. Lightweight drone takes incredible shots from 150 feet in the air. Ever wished you could take aerial shots like the ones you see on Facebook and Instagram? Or promote your business with unique images? Well, now you can with the only extremely affordable, high-quality drone on the market, Skycam HD. Up until now, drones were either extremely expensive, over $500, or very cheap in quality. Skycam HD does it all. It takes beautiful HD photos and videos from up to 150 feet in the air. It's equipped with an automatic flight assistance feature to help you land a drone, follow people or objects, and even do flips and tricks in the air. And best of all, you control it with your smartphone, so no bulky remotes.